today? Well, I've been telling y'all I was gonna bring y'all in my she trailer and give y'all a tour. Well, remember I told y'all I've just been bringing things in here when I go to the workshops and just setting them down. So I got to get reorganized again. I did have this all nice and organized. It's not that bad right now, but I got to reorganize it again. Anyway, I'm gonna bring y'all through and show y'all what we got here. So, there's front door, and here's my work table or my catch-all table or whatever you want to call it. But this is where I work if I'm going to do some crafts. See, I've got this here so I can put my GoPro on, and I can work right here, or I can put my sewing machine right here. And I've got my little iron over there, and I've got right here I've got a light so that I can see better and all that. But this front room here is really my sewing room. But this little thing right here is what I carry when I go to the workshops. If I'm sewing, this is where I carry my, let me get this thing unzipped. Carry my sewing machine in it. And then here's this mini one that I told y'all about for just light sewing. And that party I went to, then I won all those strips. That's what these are, is all those strips that I won. Let me set y'all up here. That's with a bag full of 2.5 strips. But I am supposed to make something with. And I still got to do that. I mean, it was that bingo thing that we did, the right, left, center bingo. But I have to do that project sometime. But anyway, I just brought it and just set it down. Oh. So it's just sitting right over there for right now. But anyway, this here is my chair that I set. Matter of fact, I'm going to sit here. Oh, this is my chair. This used to be my mama's chair. When my mama was living and was taking care of my mama, this was her chair. It was one of those ones that lifts you up. And so I sit in it a lot of times if I want the rest of my back and stuff. So it is real comfortable. So that's why this chair is still here, so that I can sit and rest. But anyhow, oh, that's it. I showed this sample quilt that I made. Let me get this where y'all can see. Isn't that pretty? I had fun making this. This is, when you're at the Springhouse Quilters, you always do a sample quilt. And I like these colors. Isn't that pretty? So I keep that over here. I got something there. Anyhow, I gotta have my pillows, because, and y'all know I love butterflies, so I got a butterfly pillow. I got butterflies all over the place, as y'all see. People give me butterflies because they know I love butterflies, so they find things and they send me butterflies. Anyhow, this here, this is Destiny's memory box for the kids. She wanted me to keep with her because she couldn't take it with her, so I just set it out over here for right now. This here is a gadget I have gotten that, see if I can set y'all up here and let y'all see. I'm not going to try and put it together, but what it is, it's a tripod, but if you see this right here, it extends out so that I can have, let me see. See how that is? I can have it extended out. Put some weights down here. I use my other hand here. And I can put a camera or a tripod over here. And let me try to show y'all. Not getting it all out, but I forget what it's called, but anyway, it's like a boom. Is it a boom, or I didn't forgot what this attachment is on the that I'm holding here. And I can have a camera here or my tripod, and I can be right here where I'm doing my crafts, so you can see better. And I can have another camera over there to the side. So anyhow, I'm still working, gotta work on that. That's what I'm gonna be doing in the future. That I gotta learn and all that. Still learning on my camera. Here's some patterns, more material. Material. My goodness, at all the material I've got. I got so much material. And this is where I cut and everything. My cutting table. My iron. Let's see. Yeah. It's where, and I showed y'all about these here that I've already made, projects I've made, and that I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do. Let's see, my rulers. Oh gosh, this is stamps and paints and all kind of stuff. Let's see, let me go down the hall here, turn the light on. Ribbons. You name it, I got it. Machines, I've got it. I am just crafty. All my pins, all my embellishments, more ribbons. Yes, I made this here. I made all these bags here too. A lot of stuff I made. Made this bag, or this purse. This is used to be the sewing room, and this is the stamping room. It's still got some stuff in here for sewing. Yes, I made that bag over here. Right there, I made that one. That's a quilt, or a small quilt that I need to finish. This is a table that I work at. another stand here I've got so that I can have my camera or tripod on. I got plenty of tripods and attachments to be able to video. But oh my goodness, the paper, my goodness, at the paper, when I start doing some Stampin' Up or card making, it's all my stamps. Got bunches of stamps. I used to belong to Fun Stamper's Journey. Here's my inks. Oh, you name it of what I got. Goodness. Videos. Oh. Like I said, this is my sheet. My albums. I have it. Yes, I do. Cards I've made. Oh. I still got thread over here. So, but anyway, more paper. Yes, when I had the sewing room, I had an iron here. There is my mom. That's my mom and my Aunt Pauline when they were young. They done passed on and went to heaven with Jesus. But one day I will tell y'all about my sewing machines. Oh my goodness, my sewing machines I've got, y'all. This is a sewing machine I've got down here. Oh, I have more for stamps. Oh, I got machines down here, featherweights, and oh gosh, you name it, I have it. Oh goodness, I have it. Got my Cricut. But yeah, when I was younger and able, I could really do a lot of crafting. But my back has gave out now that I just can't do it like I used to. But I have a lot. Oh, over here, let me show y'all. Over there in the corner, that is some of the cards I have made in that card stand. I'll make cards, and I'm gonna get back into it slowly. Y'all just give me a little time. In here, I need to get back in here and straighten this up. I started straightening up in here, but this, when I was doing the Mary Kay, this was my Mary Kay room. But this is where I come and do my live. I need to clean the table off, but my back's been giving me a fit, and I've just been stacking stuff, and I need to straighten this up. So I think today I'm going to straighten it up. But anyway, this is where I sit here and do the live. So, and this stuff I've got to donate. I got to get rid of all that. So, but anyhow, I'll read this here. Y'all might like this. Oh, and these things here, I've made these. They're old. Did them a long time ago. I sit down, I'm getting tired again. It don't take much to get me tired. Oh, but anyhow, this is a walkthrough. Whew, I am so tired right now. But this is my walkthrough. This is my she shed or she trailer. Oh, let me show you what the. Let me rest a minute. Then I'll show you what I was telling you about the board that the grandkids have rode on for years and years, and then when Josh came, he rode on it too. but I'm gonna be working over here straightening up today, and getting some stuff done. But I wanted to bring y'all along, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I've been promising y'all for a long time. Sorry I didn't do it when I actually got it organized, but it's still not that bad. But I hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and tell me about how y'all's she sheds and she trailers, or if you have a she trailer or she shed or a she room or workspace. Tell me about y'all's. And I need to get a little bit more organized than what I am, but I do what I can. You get older, it just, and that you're back, it's just hard to do. But I do a little bit at a time. So let me take you over here and show you. Alright. This is what the kids always wrote. And then there at the bottom, that's what Josh came and wrote. Oh, they're always writing on here. Oh, but it's so sweet. There's a picture of me when I was really young. Yeah, I was a hottie. I was so skinny. Anyhow, I hope y'all having a wonderful day. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and also subscribe. And God bless y'all. And I love y'all so much. Mwah!